Hi kids! Isang matatag na araw. I'm Sirnoi and welcome to Math Bilang.
In this video, you will learn how to add dissimilar fractions. But first, let's have a drill on multiplication. 25, 27, 48, 90. Now, let's add dissimilar fractions. Two proper fractions. The method that we are going to use is butterfly method or the cross multiplication. Let's have 1/4 plus 1/2. Multiply both denominators. 4 times 2 is 8. Then, multiply the numerator to the denominator of the other fraction and vice versa. And then, add the factors to get the numerator. So 1 times 2 is 2. And 4 times 1 is 4. Let's add 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. The sum is 6/8. But we have to reduce this 6/8 in lowest term. To reduce 6/8 in lowest term, we should get the GCF. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. And the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. And the common factor is 2. So we will divide the numerator and denominator by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the final answer is 3/4. Another one. Multiply both denominators. 3 times 5 is 15. Now, let's multiply the numerator to the denominator of the other fraction and vice versa. 2 times 5 is 10 and 3 times 3 is 9. So 10 plus 9, 19. Since this fraction is an improper fraction, let's transform this one into a mixed number. So 19/15 will become 1 and 4/15 because 19 divided by 15 is 1, remainder 4. Let's try. Five, 6. 5, 6. Now, let's add dissimilar fractions to mixed numbers. Let's have 2 and 1/3 plus 1 and 2/5. First, add the whole number first. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then, multiply both denominators. 3 times 5 is 15. Then, let's do the butterfly method. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. Now let's add 5 and 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. So the answer is 3 and 11/15. Another one. 6 and 1/3 plus 3 and 3/4. Let's add 6 and 3 is 9. Let's multiply 3 and 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Let's do the butterfly method. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. Let's add 4 and 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Since 13/12 is an improper fraction, we will transform improper to mixed number. So 13/12 will become 1 and 1/12. Because 13 divided by 12 is 1, remainder 1, and then let's add the whole numbers to get the final answer. 9 plus 1 is 10, and then add 1/12. So the final answer is 10 and 1/12. Let's try. 3 and 5, 6. 4 and 1/4. C. A mixed number and a proper fraction. For example, 2 and 1/3 and 1/4. All we have to do is to copy the whole number first. And then, let's multiply both denominators. 3 times 4 is 12. And then, let's do the butterfly method. 1 times 4 is 4. And 1 times 3 is 3. Let's add the products. 4 plus 3 is 7. So the answer is 2 and 7/12. Let's try. 1 and 5 6. 6 and 1/4. Letter D, a whole number and a proper fraction. 2 plus 3/4. All we have to do is to just copy the whole number and fractions. So the final answer is 2 and 3/4. Let's try. 5 and 2/3. 4 and 3/5. Letter E, a whole number and a mixed number. 2 plus 3 and 3/4. All we have to do, add the whole numbers and copy the fraction. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And then let's copy the fraction. 3/4. So the answer is 5 and 3/4. Let's try. 7 and 2/3. 10 and 3/5. Activity time! Let's add dissimilar fractions. Here are the answers. Activity number 2. Here are the answers. Activity number 3. Here are the answers. Activity number 4. Here are the answers. Activity number 5. Here are the answers. Always remember, when adding dissimilar fractions, Always remember to find a common denominator first by determining the least common multiple or the LCM of the denominators. Rewrite each fraction with a common denominator. Adjust the numerators accordingly. Then, add the numerators while keeping the denominator the same. Finally, simplify the result if possible or convert it into a mixed number if it is an improper fraction.
Thank you so much for watching! Please subscribe to my channel and like my Facebook page. Happy learning!